Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got some items from Home Depot. There's going to be a quick look video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Appreciate you guys watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so these are the items that I picked up from Home Depot. Actually, these two were from one, this one was from another. But we're just going to do them in one video. So I did find out something new today. And I thought it was interesting. I went to my normal Santan store to grab this because it was on sale for $129. They didn't have any. I went to the Gilbert store off of Val Vista and Warner. They had a crap ton of these. And but they were at normal price, $149. So I asked a nice lady, young girl, I guess she had just gotten privileges to discount items up to a max of $50. And I asked, because I showed the photo from the other store, said, hey, it's on discount at $129. Is there a possibility you guys can discount it to $129? And they explained, and then her manager walked over and said, we normally can't price match other stores because of inventory. Because that store may have had it on a discount because it doesn't sell very much, and that's why the inventory price was lower. And I said, well, I was just curious, you know, and if you guys can or not, I'll buy some other things while I'm here. And she's like, well, how much is the discount? And I said, from $149 to $129. And the manager's like, oh yeah, go ahead and do that. It's only $20. And, you know, if he's going to buy other items while he's here, then, you know, it's not a big deal. And the young lady turns around and says, okay, well, I was given the privileges to do a max of 50. So yeah, I can do that for you. So she marked it down $20. And I found out that there was a deal that if you bought more than one M18 light, you also got $50 off. So I got $50 off because I bought both of these lights. And I got $20 off this light. So these two items together was $240 instead of $149 and $149. So, and then I grabbed the M18 Surge as well. Let me grab my phone real quick. Yeah, so I thought that was pretty neat. They were very nice. So, the receipt shows $50 off 2 select lights, which I didn't know that was a promo going on, but you get 2 select M18 lights and you get $50 off automatically. And I'll put this in the video. I'll put a digital version of this receipt in the video so you guys can see it. But M18 LED True View floodlight has a max refund value of $122.20. And then the M18 Radius Sight Light, minus $20. Max refund value of $105.80. So they both were originally $149, right here and right here. And then you see the negative 20 that she gave me for this one, this guy. And then you see negative 50 for the $50 off 2 select lights. So I thought that was pretty great. This guy was $129. Because they dropped the price for a couple promos for that. So $129 plus $11 in tax equaled $140. And I will put this receipt in this video as well, and then we'll do unboxing separately for these items. But I just figured I'd alert you guys that if you buy 2 lights and you need 2 lights, if you get 2 M18 lights, you can get $50 off. The Radius light is the compact sight light with flood mode, is the 2144-20, and the 3000 lumen Rover M18 light You could usually get this for free, you know, a few months ago when you bought, you know, certain select tools, but this one's 2360-20. So, which is pretty nice. And then the Surge is 2760-20, which is 1/4 inch hex hydraulic driver, 2760-20. And try to get these closer so you guys can see the 2144-20. And then this one right here is 2360-20. And I'll put these in for the information for these in the description, more than likely. But the only light I don't have, because I have all these lights over here, the little one, the M12 rotating light, the M18 rotating light. I have the little baby rover stick light, M18 tiny pivoting rover, the M12 rover, the rotating carabiner rover pivoting floodlight. I have the M12 rocket light up there, which everything around it is for sale. And then I have this rover now. I don't have the M18 rocket light. I was trying to go get that 3000 lumen M18 rocket light that the Home Depot only had the display and they weren't going to get it in stock again. A couple of days ago, the Home Depot rep offered me you know, $169 for it, and I told him no, and I was freaking being an idiot. I should have picked it up, because that 3000 lumen 3-head rotating rocket light, where it actually has 3 rectangular heads that pivot on their own, does 3000 lumens. That rocket light's usually $499, and I should have grabbed it. And I was just, you know, bonehead, moronic freaking mistake. I didn't grab it. But I'll do separate videos on these guys. If you guys have any of these items, let me know what you like about them down below. I'm obsessed with lights. My dad was obsessed with lights. You know, you can never have too many lights. And being a mobile mechanic, you know, it helps to have them. You know, throw 4 or 5 of them in my truck, you know, with a bunch of batteries, and you know, it helps, especially when I get service calls at 2 o'clock in the morning. But I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Peace!